अपनी बात थोड़ी कैच होनी माड़ी
How to make money on YouTube? 7 effective strategies.
If you see message that your page is not
Table of contents.
for Facebook ad,
Join the YouTube partner program
this means you need
and to sell your own merch.
additional requirements
3 are create sponsored content.
are the requirements
4
for Facebook
become an
monetization.
affiliate partner. 5 get your fans of page your directly. 6 use crowdfunding. 7th lessons your content be the media. Next, how to make money on YouTube? 1. Join the YouTube partner program.
Must have reached one of these milestones.
What is the YouTube partner program? Can you see?
Engagements, 1,80,000
The YouTube partner program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features of the platform. Okay? Yes. YouTube partner has access to multiple income streams, not just video ads, but YouTube premium subscription fees and features that tab your loyal fans.
How to monetize your Facebook
It is clear?
with Facebook ads.
A channel membership and merchandise chef. More on these later. First step, start a YouTube channel. Do not worry, we have a hard guide for this. It's called How to Create YouTube Channel. Step 2, make your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube partner program requirements.
Your Facebook videos.
To join the program, you need a minimum of 100 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Step 3. Step 3, set up an AdSense account. This is simple. Just follow YouTube official guide to AdSense accounts. Step 4. Explore your new monetization features. Each monetization channel has a different eligibility requirement for instance.
15,000 engagements.
Ad revenue.
1,80,000 minutes.
Ad revenue. To earn a revenue, you must be at least 18 years old and you must create content that is advisor friendly. YouTubers will be comfortable running ads on them, and the more money YouTube make, and the more money YouTube make, and the more money you make. YouTube premium revenue. What is the YouTube premium revenue? If a YouTube premium member watches your video,
Facebook lets you choose the
you get a partition of their subscription fees.
You can make
This one is automatic, which is nice.
monetization on
Channel memberships. What is the channel membership?
These are your
I see to that channel, what is the channel membership? In order to sell channel membership to your subscribers,
Facebook allow automatically
your fans option and to pay you an extra amount.
1 to 2 second Pase.
You need to be at least 18 and have more than 30,000 subscribers.
For you to get paid, it is an absolute necessity to meet to
Merchandise shelf. What is the merchandise shelf?
For Facebook ad breaks.
In order to sell merch from YouTube, merchandise shelf, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 10,000 subscribers.
Videos.
Super chat payments. Super chat payments. What is the super chat payments? Super chat payments means if you want you fans to have the ability to pay have their messages highlighted
Publish.
in your live chats during your live stream.
A video that gets
You must be at least 18 and live in a country where the
high velocity.
feature is offered. Step 5 submit to ongoing revenue, ongoing reviews.
30 minutes. Get the same 25.
As a YouTube partner, your channel will be held to a higher standard. According to YouTube, you have to follow not just the YouTube partner program policies, but the community guidelines, not to mention staying on the right side of copyright law. Next, you are on march, sale you are on march.
Facebook videos.
Maybe you identify as a content creator first.
Copyright is one of
Yes.
top priority.
कैमरा जो दाव रखने होती है मतलब खुद ही बढ़नी है सही
Repurpose
YouTube चाहती है
from other
बस
sources.
सही है मैं jadi English होता है ना यो English बोलेंगे
if you are serious about earning money from CPM. CPM is cost of 1,000.
merchandise for your channel means to bought represent
Here ads show
On the
and feed your audience connection with you.
Factors like this are affect CPM. CPM varies from
Your next
That means your merch should be unique.
or engaging requirements.
Having YouTube star High launched his milk-based energy
Your videos.
drink Ninja Milk to
Videos.
leverage the popularity of his viral comedy Ninja Milk, while he also sells t-shirts and other merch from his online shop. Ninja Milk
But
appeal is broad, but enough it has its own website.
the growth of videos views.
Pro tip. What is the pro tip?
Consider
45%.
You might have more ideas of merch than you can possibly stock. So start by dipping your toys in the water with the two items, but make sure you engage your audience in the
straightforward
decision making process. Pull the as what they want are built
this option
by offering one of products related to big subscriber count milestones. Step 2, what is the step 2? Source and or build your product. In most cases, you shall need a manufacturer, supplier or wholesaler to make the deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you and some will spare you to hand caches of inventory, shipping and return by handling of themselves. If you are not sure where to start, check our Shopify how to on the topic of finding a brick and mortar company to make your dreams reality. Yes, step 3, create your shop and launching and landing page.
As mentioned above, your videos ads. Interesting.
You shall need
And they must
separate website to handle purchase. If you want to link is directly from YouTube and you do refer to YouTube list of approved Mercedes sites.
can make a good video.
Step 4, enable your YouTube partner merchandise shelves. YouTube partners can also use the shelf which is and then you are my best friend. Video features, and do not forget to add your stories, link to your video description, and include screens and cards with compelling calls to action. Pro tip. What is the pro tip? Pro tip, do not forget to say thank you because it's politics, but also because it is an excuse to remind people how great and popular your product is. No more time. Yes, no more time. And create sponsored content. What is the created sponsored content? You do not. If you can offer branded a large and engaged audience and your content is relevant to their target market, they probably want to hear from you. Yeah. For instance, YouTube Rogue Marius aka Alpha M is big is the man's life safely space. How big? So big that even with his video that explain is brand friendship partnership, have a brand partnership on YouTube.
That helps you make money.
Step 1, find a brand to partner with. Quality is important when it comes to the names you work with. You probably already have a wish list of dream brands. Whatever you are aiming for, the stars or buildings yourself up grassroots style. Make sure you perfect your brand pitch before you need send it. Also consider singing up to with the including marketing platform. These are intermittently.
YouTube partner program on YouTube without
Make a deal according to this recent study by
joining the YouTube partner
including marketing platform. Clear? YouTube video are on average the most expensive type of sponsored content. Brands can be from influence.
YouTube partner
Basically,
your
YouTube
program
influences
is available. Then
are also
you can apply
to
for
charge
the one.
more of
You have his
more for their
and
video that the everyone, because video is just more expensive to produce.
and how to enable
While at it,
information
thank
on
you.
YouTube. Sign into the YouTube